Now it's time to welcome our today's speaker. Most of you know her. She has already taken a webinar with us. So, with round of online applause, you all have your emojis down there. I would request all of you to start clapping as we welcome our today's speaker, CA Aishwarya Bang. So, ma'am, the floor, the stage, the screen is all yours, and we all are waiting for the best webinar today, the best content which we'll be delivering. All yours, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you so much, Mayur. First of all, I'm really overwhelmed by the online applause that I've gotten. Good evening, everybody. Very good evening to everyone. I'm sure Abhi, at this point in time, most of you all must be either occupied in your studies or in your work. For the students who are also working, so you must be occupied either in your work or into your studies. Welcome to the webinar. Just a minute, I'll be sharing the screen and then we'll be good to go. How are you all doing? Great. Okay. Like Mayur said initially, I would definitely want each one of you to just put on your cameras if possible. I think that's the best way to interact. I'll be able to see all your expressions and it is very easy for me to understand what all you guys are expecting, right? Thank you for putting on the cameras. Okay, we're good to go. Welcome to the webinar, Winning Strategies for IBS and CA Finals. Now, IBS Integrated Business Solutions, till November 24, I think this subject used to be a cakewalk. From the time the CA Finals new syllabus has come into picture, this subject was actually sort of a cakewalk. Number one reason being this is an open book paper. Correct. So open book होने की वजह से most of the students used to be like, okay, yeah, we'll be able to manage it. But the November 24 exam was something of a game changer for this particular subject because most of the students could not clear their attempt, especially group 2, only because of this paper, because this came as a bouncer. Okay. Which also helps us to understand not to take this particular subject lightly. We are going to cover each and every aspect in today's webinar, wherein I'm going to tell you, number one, what all materials you have to carry when you're going for this particular subject's exam. Number two, what should be your strategy for 1.5 days before you're going to the paper? Number three, the entire preparation of this 3 months. You have cleared 3 months in your hand right now. From now till your exams, you have cleared 3 months. I'm going to tell you what should be your plan for this particular subject in 3 months, provided you're giving single group or both the groups. We are going to discuss each and every scenario. Okay. And number four, how you're going to manage those last 15 minutes, those 15 minutes before you're giving the paper. Okay. So everything, every such aspect is going to be covered in today's webinar. So please stay tuned. Now, before moving ahead, let's first understand what this subject talks about. Integrated business solution. This subject actually focuses on providing the solutions to the complex business problems. Now, those business problems can be from various areas. It can be from different businesses, from strategies, technologies, business process, risk management. This subject actually helps the student to gain knowledge, not just to the students, but also to the professionals who are involved into teaching, to gain the knowledge from not just different domains and to come up with the integrated business solution. Correct. First, we'll be going into the syllabus of the subject. I'm sure till now all of you all are aware about it. This subject is nothing but a combination of all the subjects of your CA finals. It is your group 1 subjects as well as your group 2 subjects. Group 1 subjects, obviously, it includes your financial reporting, advanced financial management, auditing. Group 2 subjects, that is your direct tax, indirect tax, including all your self-paced online modules. I'm sure you all know there are 2 self-paced online modules, 2 subjects which have been switched to online modules. Right, the law and the SCMP. So this subject basically inculcates the questions you will be getting in this paper will be from law and SCMP as well, along with the group 1 and group 2 subjects. ओके, सो बेसिकली जब भी आप ये एग्जाम देने जाओगे, ओके, इट इज अज्यूम्ड और एक्सपेक्टेड फ्रॉम यू कि आपको बाकी सारे सब्जेक्ट्स जो है सीए फाइनल में उसका आपको एक डिटेल्ड नॉलेज है. Basically, institute wants you to have a detailed knowledge of each and everything that you're preparing, and that's the reason this subject has come up into picture. Now, paper pattern. बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स को लगता है पेपर पैटर्न ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट इज, और पेपर जो रहेगा इट विल बी सेम एज दैट ऑफ अदर पेपर्स इनटू सीए फाइनल्स, बट दैट्स नॉट द केस. ओके, योर दिस पेपर इज गोइंग टू बी ऑफ 4 hours. बाकी पेपर्स 3 hours के होते हैं, दिस पेपर इज गोइंग टू बी ऑफ 4 hours. Number 2, बाकी पेपर्स में question number 1 is compulsory and rest you can solve by option. In this paper, you're going to get 5 case studies. You're going to get 5 case studies, out of which you have to attempt any 4 case studies. Not necessarily whether you are attempting case study number 1 or not. That is completely subjective and completely optional upon you. If you know it, you can attempt. Otherwise, you can skip case study 1 also. Okay, so out of 5 case study, you have to attempt any 4 case studies. Clear? Now, each case study is going to carry 25 marks. So you have to attempt 4 case studies of 25 marks each. That comes up to 100 marks paper. Okay, 25 marks is again divided into 2 parts. One is your multiple choice question. Second is your descriptive. So you will be getting 5 MCQs of 2 marks each. That comes up to 10 marks, and 3 descriptive questions of 15 marks together. That is 10 and 15 together, it will be 25. So you will be having every case study of 25 marks, which is divided into 2 parts. One is your multiple choice question. Second is your descriptive questions. I hope I am clear. Okay, moving on. Now, most important question that has come up in this particular subject is the material and resource to carry. I'm sure right now Mayur had mentioned when it was the first attempt of new course CA final, the very first attempt, students were seen taking suitcases along with the books, a whole lot of books of all particular subjects, FR, AFM, audit, DT, IDT, all of them. But I think what's wrong in that? I mean, you were expected to take that. Rather, you had studied or not studied, you were supposed to take that because questions could come from any of it, right? But to streamline it and to actually take a desired material, I have broken down material and resource into 2 parts. These 2 parts are very important and subjective into which case scenario you student actually fall. Okay, the first part is students who have completed their group 1 earlier or the ones attempting both groups in May 25 attempt. What does this mean? This means somewhere or the other you have idea of group 1 subjects, that is FR, AFM, audit. या तो आपने वो subjects पहले किए हैं, ठीक है, या फिर अभी आप May 25 में वो subjects फिर से करने वाले हैं. That means you are attempting group 1 as well in May 25. Okay, so you're anyway going to study that. और अगर आपने पहले किए हैं, that means आपको idea है कि इन subjects में क्या क्या है, what all chapters are there in FR, what all chapters are there in AFM, in audit, and also you know the content. कि हाँ ये इंडेस है FR में, ये standards है audit में. Of course you know that. तो ये particular students क्या resource और क्या material carry करेंगे? Please listen to me very very carefully. These students are specific. Yes. So for those students who have already completed their group 1, who have had basic idea of what all subjects are there in group 1, या फिर ऐसे students जो May 25 में दोनों groups attempt कर रहे हैं, that means they already know what all content, what all subjects, what all chapters are there in the group 1 subjects. Okay, for them, please listen to me very, very carefully. What all material you need to carry? You need to carry the material you are familiar with. Please do not carry any material that you are not aware about. I hope I am very, very clear. Now, what do you mean by a material that is you're aware about? That is nothing but your question bank or your faculty notes. You remember the question bank? Question bank is nothing but the compilation of past RTPs, MTPs, and past paper question along with your module questions. Correct? And number 2 is your faculty notes. Now, just because group 1 आपने कभी ना कभी किया है, of course आपने classes की होंगी, Of course, you would have had faculty notes, you would have had the question bank, उसी से आपने पढ़ाई किया होगा, ठीक है? So वो particular material से आप familiar हो, you're familiar with that particular material. So you are going to carry the same material into your IBS paper for those particular subjects. ठीक है? I hope I am clear. Apart from this, सिर्फ materials ले जाने से हो जाएगा? नहीं होगा. Of course, IBS related, what all things the institute has provided us, we need to carry that as well. What all things has institute provided us for IBS? Number one is the case study digest. Case study digest consisting of 50 case studies that needs to be carried. Number two, students journal case studies. If you remember on the BOS portal, after IBS case study digest, you have students journal case studies, which has around 15 case studies. That needs to be carried as well. Okay, तो आप उन दोनों का एक कॉम्बिनेशन बना लेंगे, 50 and 15 अराउंड 65 केस स्टडी का आपका एक बुक बन जाएगा. वो along with that, each subject, faculty notes and question bank that you have already referred at the time of studying needs to be carried for the students who fall in first category. I hope I'm very clear about it. Okay, now students appearing for only group 2 in May 25. Now these particular category of students would be the students जिन्होंने कभी group 1 किया ही नहीं है, ठीक है, जिन्हें बिल्कुल भी आइडिया नहीं है what all subjects are there in group 1. They have never studied it, never done the classes, they have no idea of audit, FR, AFM, and they are only focusing on group 2 in May 25. What are those students going to do for this particular subject in terms of group 1 subjects? Okay, so इसके लिए the best thing that you need to do is you will be carrying your study material of each and every subject. Subject, that means FR, AFM, audit. For all the 3 subjects, you're going to carry your own study material that you have. I know you've not referred it till now. You don't know what is there, but I'm going to tell you the process, how you need to study along with taking into consideration a study material. Okay, so in terms of material and resource, I hope it is very clear. There are 2 types. Number one, we've already done group 1. Also, group 1 includes your self-paced online modules. I've considered both the things, self-paced online modules as well as group 1 subjects. So self-paced online modules also, if you have completed, please carry the material from which you have actually studied and cleared that exam. And if you have not cleared it, let's say you're doing it after your finals, you fall in that category that you can give the exam after your May 25 attempt, but before applying for your membership, please carry institute's material for these 2 subjects also. ठीक है, अब सिर्फ मटेरियल कैरी करने से हो जाएगा? Is it possible that you just carrying your material and आप बोलो कि हाँ मेरे पास सारा मटेरियल है, अब मैं बस ये लेके जाऊंगा या मैं लेके जाऊंगी एग्जाम के लिए and I'm done? No, that won't be the case. Okay, you will have to study from the material you are actually going to take. How you are going to study each and every case study, that I'm going to tell you with the help of an example. We are going to take one example of one case study that has actually come up in the paper. We are going to study that and understand how you're going to study each and every case study during this 3 months of time for this particular subject. Now, this is the case study that has come up in May 24 attempt. May 24 attempt में ये केस स्टडी आई थी. We are going to now look, taking example of this particular case study, how we are going to do right. Okay, before reading the entire case study, let's first directly go to the questions and try to analyze. I think ये approach आपका paper में भी रहेगा. Whenever you get the IBS paper, let me make it very clear now here that whenever you get the paper, for example, you get the case study, you're first directly going to go to the questions. You're not going to read each and every line of case study. That is not required initially. You're going to directly go to the questions, read at the questions, then come back to the case study. Okay. Similarly, we are going to do it now. We are going to go to the descriptive question of this case study. Now, I hope it is visible to everybody. Descriptive questions 1.6. The question is, in the given facts of the case, whether MNO Limited should reclassify the lease out building at Mumbai as investment property instead of PPE, which was the case up to 31st March 2023. Will this amount to change in accounting policy? Your answer must be with reference to the applicable Ind AS. Now, basically, अगर आपको कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन पेपर में मिल जाता है, what are you going to do? Obviously, whether आपने FR पढ़ा है नहीं पढ़ा है, it is very very obvious कि FR का क्वेश्चन है क्योंकि Ind AS आ गया है. ठीक है. अब वो स्टूडेंट्स जिन्होंने ऑलरेडी एफआर किया हुआ है, जिन्हें ऑलरेडी पता है कि एफआर में क्लासेस की हुई है, पेपर दिया हुआ है, यू हैव अटेम्प्टेड ग्रुप वन सम टाइम और द अदर, you will understand that change in accounting policy, if you look at it properly, your change in accounting policy amounts to which Ind AS? Can somebody tell me change in accounting policy, which Ind AS is it of? If you have studied FR? 1. Are you sure? 8. Are you sure? Suryansh? Aman? Not chapter.
Yes.
Ruchika, I'm not asking about the chapter. No, not chapter. I want to know Ind AS. Suryansh, you said yes, I think. Okay. Anybody? Ind AS 8. I'm getting it. Okay. Okay, fine. Most of you are right. This is from Ind AS 8. Okay. So those who have already studied, I think, okay. So those who have already studied FR, they would know that this is from Ind AS 8. Now, at the time when you are doing the preparation of FR, now I'm assuming you're sitting at home, this case study is in front of you, how we are going to study it. Okay, you're reading this question, you got to know, okay, change in accounting policy is Ind AS 8. What are you going to do? At the same time, you will go to the notes or question bank that you have referred of FR. ठीक है, आप उस notes और question bank पे जाएंगे, वहां पे you will look at the provision that actually matches to the answer of this particular question. Clear? You're going to look at it, you're going to mark that particular thing in your notes and question bank then and there, and then you will move to the other question. What are the 3 things that I have told right now? अभी आपको जब ये question दिख रहा है, आपको समझ में आ गया ये Ind AS 8 का question है. ठीक है, आप क्या करेंगे? पहले इसका आंसर रीड आउट करेंगे, उसके बाद आप जाएंगे Ind AS 8 के नोट्स या क्वेश्चन बैंक पे जो आपने ऑलरेडी रेफर किया हुआ है. ठीक है, वहां पे यू विल मार्क, मेक श्योर यहाँ पे आप मार्किंग कर रहे हैं इट इज विद अ डिफरेंट पेन, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अब आप जो भी चीजें मार्क कर रहे हैं वो आईपीएस पर्सपेक्टिव इंपॉर्टेंट है. ठीक है, आई होप इट इज क्लियर. ठीक है, तो वहां पे आप यहाँ पे मार्किंग करेंगे एंड देन यू आर गोइंग टू रीड द आंसर, गो विद द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. Similarly, let's look at question number 1.7. Mithila and Company, based on management representation, decides to include the outstanding amount receivable by MNO Limited as emphasis of matter paragraph and audit report, whether the disclosure given by the auditor is proper. Now, whether or not you have done group 1 or not, आपने audit कभी पढ़ा है नहीं पढ़ा, आपको ये तो पता चल जाएगा कि भाई ये audit का question है. ठीक है, लेकिन जो स्टूडेंट्स ने ऑडिट अच्छे से किया होगा बस उन्हें ही पता चलेगा ये कौन से स्टैंडर्ड का है. Now you all are going to tell me, I am sure looking at your answers, I know that most of you all have already studied group 1. Tell me, emphasis of matter paragraph is which standard? 765. Okay.
705.
Okay, Brinda, yeah, okay. Are you all sure about it? Is it 705 or 706? There's a lot of confusion going on in the chat box also. Brinda, I'm really sorry. It's not 705, it's 706. Okay. So once, yeah. So emphasis of matter paragraph is 706. Now you already know कि भाई ये 706 है. अब आप क्या करोगे? You will directly go to your material that you are referring for audit, which can be your notes and question bank. वहां पे आप जाएंगे, पूरा रीड आउट करेंगे 706 emphasis of matter paragraph, जिसके provision matches to the question's answer over here. You are going to mark it then and there in your notes and question bank. Majorly ये चीजें आपकी notes से resolve हो जाएगी. Question bank आपको शायद नहीं लगे, not required इतना, but it will completely depend on what question is being asked to you. Also, one more thing I forgot to mention over here. दो स्टूडेंट्स, जैसे अभी यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे भी होंगे जिन्हें बिल्कुल आइडिया ही नहीं है कि ये ऑडिट का 706 का क्वेश्चन है, या फिर फॉर एग्जांपल ये इंडेस कौन से इंडेस का क्वेश्चन है, बिल्कुल कोई आइडिया नहीं होगा. व्हाट आर दे गोइंग टू डू एट द टाइम ऑफ स्टडिंग? ओके, यू आर गोइंग टू रीड द क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टली, यू आर गोइंग टू रीड द आंसर. ठीक है, आपने आंसर रीड कर लिया. नो, आई एम अज्यूमिंग आपको ग्रुप 1 का बिल्कुल भी नॉलेज नहीं है. आंसर रीड करके आपको इतना तो पता चल गया कि इंडेस एफआर का क्वेश्चन है, एफआर में इंडेस 8 का क्वेश्चन है. आप अपना स्टडी मटेरियल ले आएंगे. ठीक है, स्टडी मटेरियल ले आएंगे एंड स्टडी मटेरियल से यू आर गोइंग टू जस्ट मार्क इंडेस 8, whatever material that has been provision that has been used over there, you are going to mark it along with that. So basically, material and resources that I had referred in the previous slide, you are going to use the same material and resources for each and every question. Okay, fine. Third question, select the highest ranked product for KLM Private Limited by computing product return per minute. Also calculate throughput accounting ratio to state your conclusion. Now, this is somewhat of a googly question. Okay, let's see how many of you are able to answer. यहाँ पे तो आपको ये भी पता नहीं चलेगा ये कौन से subject से. So, if anybody has already studied, can tell me from which subject this question is of. Costing, okay. I think majority of you all have already studied. But those who have not studied will not get to know that this is a costing question. This is SCMP costing question. That's right. Yeah, throughput accounting, it comes in SCMP and it comes in the chapter model business environment. Okay. So similarly, you're going to do the same for that. Okay. The conclusion of material and resource tab for me is there are two things. Number one, you can carry your notes or faculty question bank. And number two, if you're not carrying that, you're going to carry your study material. Please, one request to all of you, ये चीज बिल्कुल मत करना. अच्छा, मैं अगर मेरा फ्रेंड है वो ना स्टडी मटेरियल लेके जा रहा है, या फिर मेरा फ्रेंड है ये वो पर्टिकुलर फैकल्टी के नोट्स लेके जा रहा है, काम करती हूँ मैं भी वही लेके चले जाती हूँ. प्लीज डू नॉट डू दैट. आपने अगर कोई चीज पढ़ी हुई है, आपने कोई चीज रेफर की हुई है, प्लीज वही चीज लेकर जाइए. प्लीज डू नॉट कैरी दैट यू आर समथिंग दैट यू आर कंप्लीटली ब्लैंक अबाउट और यू हैव नो आइडिया. वहां जाके आपको सिर्फ कोरे पन्ने दिख रहे हैं. प्लीज डू नॉट डू समथिंग लाइक दैट. That will not add on. It will make zero sense. वहां जाके इतना सारा material jump up हो जाएगा, plus the case studies that you have to attempt, plus the time limit. It will create a whole lot of confusion. So please carry a material that you're comfortable with, जो आपने already, जिससे आपने पढ़ाई की हुई है. Okay. Now, next up. Any questions, any queries till now? Anybody? Anybody? Or you can just give a thumbs up so we can move ahead. There has been a query. Fine. We'll be taking the queries together. Okay. November 24 attempt paper was very tricky. Should we just mark or attempt the question then and there? Yes. You should mark and attempt the question then and there. I'm not sure whether you're talking about the final exam or during the preparation, because I have not gone till the final exam till now. Final exam, of course, I'm going to take that into consideration कि आपको क्या क्या करना है तब. लेकिन अभी तक I am talking about your preparation part. You should obviously mark. Marking is one of the most important concept that has come up for this particular subject. Okay, now. सबसे important question for this is index. Whether you should be preparing the index or not. If yes, how you should prepare it, whether you should carry or not. I think इसके multiple opinions है, multiple views है. Each to its own is going to apply. ठीक है? What do you mean by an index? Because ये particular subject is a combination of all, there is a whole lot of syllabus involved, multiple things involved. तो हमें पता होना चाहिए कि क्या क्या चीजें actually है एक particular subject में, and that is the reason most of the faculties provide you with index. But also there are faculties that provide you index of the case studies. ठीक है, जो आपकी केस स्टडी है अकॉर्डिंग टू द सीक्वेंस आपको वो प्रोवाइड करता है. सो नो डाउट डेफिनेटली यू शुड यूज एन इंडेक्स बिकॉज इट इज गोइंग टू बी यूजफुल प्रोवाइडेड यू गेट अ सिमिलर केस स्टडी इन द पेपर. अगर आपका सिमिलर केस स्टडी पेपर में आता है सो इट इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी यूजफुल टू यू. लेकिन अगर सिमिलर केस स्टडी पेपर में नहीं आता है तो आई डोंट थिंक इंडेक्स इज गोइंग टू एड ऑन अ लॉट, बट हु नोज, राइट? इंस्टीट्यूट कैन प्ले अ गेम एनी टाइम एनीवेयर. अभी पेपर इतना ट्रिकी आया था, नेक्स्ट अटेम्प्ट माइट बी पेपर गेट्स इजी, यू नेवर नो दैट. Okay, so definitely you should have an index. Now, whether you should prepare it on your own or you should buy or take or just copy somebody else's index, to be very honest, अभी अगर आपके पास टाइम है, you have good time in hand, 3 months है, provided you are doing single group. Both group करोगे तो it will get little complicated in terms of time. So if you have time right now, I am going to tell you how you can be preparing your own index. आपको कैसे prepare करना है, ठीक है? Okay. Now, before moving to one of the case studies where I'm going to explain you how to prepare your index, you should understand your index is going to contain 3 tabs. There are 3 tabs that your index will need. One is your case study number, second is your page number, and third is your question start. This is the index that you are going to make on your own. Okay, case study number, question number, index start, the question start. Okay, let's just take that with the help of one example. Now, this is the case study that has been there in your case study digest. This is case study number 50, 5050. It is already there in your case study digest. I am going to explain you how to prepare your index through this case study. Okay. Now, as we have already discussed, rather than going to the entire case study, we are first directly going to the question, especially the descriptive part of the question. Okay. So यहाँ पे, as you can see, the question that is, Grofine has issued equity shares to individuals having face value of ₹10 per share at a price of ₹50 per share. What are income tax implications for the same for Grofine? What is such tax commonly and popularly known as? Under which circumstances can Grofine claim exemption from such a tax? Now, when you're preparing your case study, I've already told you it should be of 3 tabs. Right? Your first tab should be your case study number, second should be your question number, and third should be your question start. I think first 2 tabs are very easy to identify. This is your case study number 50. That is what you're going to write. Number 2 would be the page number, whichever page number this case study, for example, 50.4, 50.4, this case study on that page number. So you're going to write the same page number. Number 3 is your question start. Now, आपको ये केस स्टडी सेम टू सेम तो नाम के साथ सेम कभी पेपर में मिलने नहीं वाली. You are never going to get a case study with the same name of Grofine. You can get a similar case study with some different name, obviously. But now, while preparing index, you cannot be writing Grofine over there. That will not add on any sense. So you have to write a question that is common. What is common in this question? As you can see, this is an income tax question, very clearly understandable. It is an income tax question. Correct. The common part over here is, what are income tax implications for the same for Grofine? Either Grofine you can write, or you can either write XYZ company. What is such tax commonly or popularly known as, and under which circumstances can that particular company claim exemption? This is something of a common part that you can write in your question start. अब क्या होगा ना? Let's say you get the paper, your final paper of IPS. You find a case study. Okay. Now, अब आपको case study read out करके ये तो लगेगा कि कहीं ना कहीं मैंने पढ़ी है. From those 65 case studies, कहीं ना कहीं तो मैंने ऐसे टाइप की case study पढ़ी है. Of course, the names आपको याद नहीं रहेंगे, नाम आपको पता नहीं है, but storyline कहीं ना कहीं you will be able to remember that. Correct. तो आप क्या करेंगे ना, this common question you will completely forget, because ये जो values है यहाँ पे face value of ₹10, यहाँ पे at a price of ₹50, even this is going to change in exam. This is also not going to be same. तो यहाँ पे जो common part है ना, what are income tax implications, यहाँ से आप शुरू करेंगे. यहाँ से you are actually going to find in your question start tab where actually is it matching. अगर आपको मिल जाता है, let's say you have done that case study and the similar case study comes into paper, अगर आपको मिल जाता है, well and good. Look for the next question. Second question जो descriptive का रहेगा, उसको भी आप वैसे ही match करेंगे. ठीक है? After that you will look at the MCQs. Now MCQs are very, very subjective. MCQs कभी same आने के chances are equal to negligible. Even though the case study is completely similar, MCQs can vary. Descriptive questions might remain same, but MCQs are going to vary. So be very, very careful when you're preparing your own index. Trust me, preparation of your own index gives an add-on. क्योंकि आप खुद से prepare कर रहे हो, you are going through each and every case study. And ज़्यादा time नहीं लेता है. Trust me, in your entire day schedule, provided you have good time in hand, if you give time for 2 case studies every day, 2 case studies every day, studying it thoroughly, simultaneously marking it in your particular material, and then preparing your index, you have 3 months for your exam. Clear 3 months for your exam. You can easily prepare the 65 case study index by your own. I'm not talking about the rest of the case studies. Let's say the RTPs, MTPs, of course they count. But our primary resources are institute's material that they have provided for the current attempt. We should be focusing first on that. Iske baad time to obviously rahega. That time you can focus on the RTP, MTP and additional case studies for the practice. Okay, I hope I'm very, very clear with it. With that, let's first have a quick briefing about what all we've already done. We've already known about the material and resources that you're going to use in your exam. Number 2 is your index, whether you should be preparing the index or you should not be preparing your index. That is what something we need to take into consideration. And for that matter, if you are preparing your index, how you should actually prepare it. Okay, now, coming up to our next topic, that is how to study IBS. I've already given you one example along with the case study, how you're going to do it. But to just sum it up, I have broken down into this into the 4 parts. Number 1 is your consistency. As I told you earlier, doing daily 2 case studies would not affect much. Please, अगर आप दिन में थोड़ा टाइम निकल पाए तो 2 केस स्टडी करिए. Along with every case study, make sure you're marking. Along with that, preparing your own index. 2 case studies पे अगर आप रोज करते जाएंगे, within a month you'll be able to finish like around good number of case studies. Depending upon some days you're doing, some days you're not doing, but the consistency should be there. Okay, so consistency with case study is something that is very, very important that you need to do. Also with that, I would like to add, please do not consider this subject a different for that matter, because this is going to be similar. It requires similar time, similar efforts in terms of remaining subjects that are there into CA finals. बाकी subjects में आप जितना effort put in करते हैं, in fact शायद उससे कहीं ज़्यादा effort ही आपको put in करना पड़ेगा. So doing daily 2 case studies is something that is minimum that we can do for this subject. Also along with that, काफी students ऐसा सोचते हैं that हम साथ में 10-15 days allot कर देंगे इस subject के लिए, और अभी let me just focus on the other subjects into CA finals. Let me tell you, 10-11 दिन आपके कभी आएंगे ही नहीं, because जैसे जैसे आप आगे बढ़ रहे हो, the pressure for the exam is increasing. It is never lessened. Okay, it is obviously increasing. आगे जाके आप 10-11 days you'll feel यार मैं सब्जेक्ट के लिए कैसे ही दूं, वैसे ही ओपन बुक पेपर है, I'm going to manage it on your own, और ये कभी आप पढ़ ही नहीं पाओगे. So my clear opinion to you all would be, rather than giving one at a stretch, good number of days for this subject, please keep it consistent on a daily basis. उससे boring भी नहीं होगा, case studies जल्दी होगी, plus एक interest developed रहेगा इस particular subject में. Please do it that way. Okay. Number 2 is marking. Marking is something very, very important, क्योंकि ये आपको help करेगा 1.5 days of your exam plus actual studying अभी जो आपका चल रहा है IBS का in that. So marking, whether it is in your faculty notes and question bank or it is in your study material. जिन लोगों ने study material बिल्कुल नहीं लिया हुआ है और जिनके पास faculty notes and question bank भी नहीं है, your first priority should be to order the study materials. Please order the study materials of all the 3 subjects of group 1. DT, IDT, I'm assuming that you are doing, because you are anyhow attempting for group 2. उसका आपके पास material and resource already रहेगा. But group 1 के तीनों भी subjects का आप please study material order कर दीजिए. ये उन students के लिए जिनके पास में faculty notes and question bank नहीं है. अगर आपके पास में वो है तो study material carry करने की need नहीं. ठीक है. Linking with the index. अब सिर्फ index बनाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. You will have to practice. Let's say अगर आपके पास में इतना time ही नहीं है कि अगर आप खुद से index नहीं बना रहे हो, you don't have that much of time, and you're actually copying somebody else's index and taking somebody else's index, which is also completely fine, completely understandable. Okay, what you need to do is, जब भी आप किसी और का इंडेक्स ले रहे हैं, प्लीज मेक श्योर कि वो जिस मटेरियल को रेफर करके इंडेक्स उन्होंने बनाया है वो ही मटेरियल आपके पास है। तो ये आपने इंडेक्स एक फैकल्टी का लिखा है, तो आपके पास में मटेरियल दूसरे फैकल्टी के, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी इन लाइन एट ऑल. Okay, so please make sure that your index and your material is in line. You are carrying similar things. That needs to be very, very clear. Along with that, जो भी आप index use कर रहे हो, अगर आप खुद का बना रहे हो ठीक है, अगर आप किसी faculty पे हो, even that is fine. Please make sure unless and until आपको रहेगा, it's going to be very, very difficult to actually find a particular case study at the time of attempting a final paper. Please make sure अभी practice बना रहे हैं तो it is going to be very easy for you. But if you are taking skills, please keep it handy at the time you are doing the case study. It is going to help you. Okay. For the test. Now, this is something that I personally wish every CA student would have done. Those who have attempted the exam in November 24, those students who did not attempt any of the test for IPS actually faced a lot of problems. एक practice आपको हो जानी चाहिए, how to refer an index, how to find the answer, how to actually present an answer when you are writing an IBS paper. ये प्रैक्टिस अगर आपको पहले हो जाती है तो इट विल बिकम वेरी इजी फॉर यू व्हेन यू आर अटेम्प्टिंग अ पेपर. फाइनल एग्जाम ऐसे लगेगा इट्स जस्ट एन अनदर पेपर दैट यू आर एक्चुअली अटेम्प्टिंग. So that is something completely fine. So please appear a paper, appear a test. भले ही आप एक ही पेपर क्यों ना दो एग्जाम से पहले, कोई भी एक प्रैक्टिस पेपर आप क्यों ना दो, प्लीज, but please ensure that you are giving it. It will actually enhance your confidence for this particular subject. Also आपको बहुत सारी नई चीजें पता चलेगी that might help you in the final exam. Okay. Now, exam time preparation. Now, this is something, one of the most important part. The last 1.5 days when you have after the IDT exam, what should I be doing after 1.5 days, in those 1.5 days for this subject? Okay. So during this 1.5 days, very clearly, I want you to read everything that you have marked. क्या होगा, आपने जो मार्किंग कर रखे हैं, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू अर्लियर दैट मार्किंग शुड बी फ्रॉम एनी अदर कलर मार्कर पेन और फ्रॉम एनी अदर कलर पेन, जिससे समझ में आ जाए ओके दिस मार्किंग इज समथिंग IBS रिलेटेड. करेक्ट. तो आप 1.5 डेज में क्या करेंगे, आफ्टर द IDT पेपर यू आर जस्ट गोइंग टू रीड एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम एवरी सब्जेक्ट, एवरी चैप्टर दैट यू हैव मार्क्ड. That is nothing but your important concept, that is important IBS perspective for that particular subject. Let's take a small example. Example है NDS 116. आप NDS 116 के जितने भी questions आपके case studies में आए होंगे, आपने उनके provisions यहाँ पे mark किए होंगे. In your notes or in your question bank you would have marked it. So you're just going to read it. क्या हो जाएगा, वो read करने से क्या हो जाएगा, आपका जो जो provision वहां पे apply कर रहा था वो आपका revision complete हो जाएगा यहाँ पे. Correct. So you're going to read, likewise, you're going to read for every single chapter, every single subject. You're going to read all the marked things. अब marked things करने के बाद में भी आपके पास let's say time रहता है, ठीक है. So please start with the case studies of RTP and MTP. RTP and MTP की केस स्टडी यू कैन एक्चुअली प्रैक्टिस, क्योंकि एक फ्लो बन जाएगा ऑफ डूइंग द केस स्टडीज. और एक फ्लो बन गया, लेट्स से अगर आप 5 से 10 भी केस स्टडीज बिफोर द एग्जाम अगर आप करके जाते हो, एक फ्लो बन जाएगा एंड दैट इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू एट द टाइम ऑफ द पेपर, क्योंकि उस फ्लो में ही आप आगे का पेपर फिर कंटिन्यू करेंगे. ठीक है. नाउ when you're going to the paper, first 15 minutes, what are you going to do? The first 15 minutes of your paper are very, very crucial. ठीक है. 5 case studies है, any 4 case studies you are going to attempt. So please ensure पहले 15 minutes में हमें ये तो पता चल जाए वो कौन सी 4 case studies है. अब वो कैसे पता चलेगा? ठीक है. Case study देख के you are going to directly go to the questions part, descriptive part, MCQ part. ठीक है. डिस्क्रिप्टिव पार्ट देख के अगर आपको ऐसे लग रहा है कि हाँ मैंने ये केस स्टडी कहीं ना कहीं करी है, दिस हैज बीन लिंक्ड, ये पर्टिकुलर स्टोरी लाइन जो है केस स्टडी की है मैंने कहीं ना कहीं किया है, दैट मीन्स यू आर डायरेक्टली गोइंग टू गो टू योर इंडेक्स. You are going to go to your index. You are going to look at the common part of the question that I've already mentioned. Common part of the question, you are going to refer it. Along with that, you are going to find. अगर आपको मिल जाता है तो केस स्टडी नंबर एंड पेज नंबर आपके उस इंडेक्स में लिखा हुआ है. केस स्टडी नंबर एंड पेज नंबर यू आर गोइंग टू राइट इन योर क्वेश्चन पेपर बाय पेंसिल देन एंड देयर. आप लिख लो वहां पे. ठीक है। सिमिलरली वो होने के बाद में वो केस स्टडी पे जाओ और जाके आप देख लो रिमेनिंग क्वेश्चन सेम है या नहीं। ठीक है, दिस इज द फर्स्ट थिंग यू हैव टू डू। नंबर 2, अगर आपको ये दिखता है कि नहीं यार केस स्टडी इज कंप्लीटली न्यू, ये मैंने कहीं रीड आउट नहीं किया, हैव नो आइडिया अबाउट दिस केस स्टडी, दिस इज कंप्लीटली न्यू, तो आपको ये तो पता चल जाएगा क्वेश्चन रीड करके कि दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम FR NDS 115 और दिस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम SA 230 ऑडिट, या ये क्वेश्चन हम लोगों का स्टार्टअप फाइनेंस है। एटलीस्ट हमें उतना पता चल जाएगा, हैविंग सेड दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी स्टडीड एंड गॉन थ्रू द एंटायर सब्जेक्ट्स, इतना हमें पता चल जाएगा। सो व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द पेंसिल बाय पेंसिल यू आर एक्चुअली गोइंग टू राइट द नेम ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट एंड द टॉपिक। अगर आपने उतना भी फर्स्ट 15 मिनट्स में 4 केस स्टडीज के लिए कर लिया, it is going to be so easy for you, because when you're actually going to start with the case studies, you're going to go to that particular subject's book and that particular topic directly rather than thinking कि यार अब ये कौन से टॉपिक में है। ठीक है, so that is something you need to be very clear in 15 minutes, because ये अगर आपने करके रखा तभी possible है सारी case studies को complete करना, otherwise this is not at all possible। 4 hours भले ही आपको इस पेपर के लिए मिल रहे हैं, you are getting 1 hour for one case study, how that 1 hour goes you will not be able to understand। So please make sure those particular things are done in first 15 minutes, and to just conclude all of this, I want to tell you one thing, वो 15 minutes में भी आप तभी कर पाओगे जब आपने पहले से पढ़ाई कर रखी है। अगर आपने पहले से नहीं कर रखा है तो it is not going to make any sense। अभी you have good time, you have 3 months in hand, you can do daily 2 to 3 case studies, जितना भी time मिलता है please start doing the case studies, because apart from these 65 case studies you also have RTP and MTP case studies to practice। So the more you get to practice, the better it is for you, right? With that, I would want to conclude with today's webinar. It was lovely meeting you all. I am going to take into consideration each and everyone's questions right now. Thank you.
Yes. So thank you so much, ma'am, again for a wonderful webinar. As you can see, the applause are there from the students. Now, I wish all the best to people who have registered and will be having their sessions, one-on-one session regarding IBS with Aishwarya ma'am. So guys, you will be getting a message or mail from our end regarding the scheduling of the session, and accordingly we will be going forward. Now, ma'am, we have shared the sheet with you. Yes, screenshot and the sheet, so you can check the questions which are there. Until that time, if anybody has questions, guys, we are opening the forum for you. You can unmute yourself and you can ask your questions.
I've received
Hello.
the questions.
Yes, Aman.
Yeah.
हेलो मैम, ये पूछ रहे थे कि जैसे मैंने नवंबर 24 और मई 24 दोनों में आईबीएस का एग्जाम दिया था, लेकिन मई 24 में हो रहा था कि पेपर डायरेक्ट मिल जा रहा था, लेकिन नवंबर 24 में जैसा क्वेश्चन आया था तो डायरेक्ट मिल ही नहीं रहा था। वो जैसे केस स्टडी इंडेक्स भी लेकर के गए थे, हर चीज लेकर के गए थे, लेकिन क्या हो रहा था कि मिल ही नहीं रहा था आंसर, बहुत ट्रिकी आ गया था। एमसीक्यू में भी बहुत ट्रिकी पार्ट आ गया था, 4 नंबर का क्वेश्चन 2 नंबर में आ गया था। तो उस केस में क्या करना चाहिए?
अमन, मुझे आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछना है। आपने इससे पहले ग्रुप 1 का आपका प्रिपरेशन कंप्लीट हुआ है?
नहीं, ग्रुप 1 मेरा नवंबर 22 में क्लियर हो चुका है।
नवंबर 22, मतलब काफी टाइम हो गया है ग्रुप 1 क्लियर होके, राइट? उसके
Yes.
बाद में आपका बिल्कुल टच नहीं रहा होगा विद ग्रुप 1। ऑल्सो देयर हैज बीन अ चेंज इन द सिलेबस ऑल्सो। आपने गो थ्रू किया एंटायर सिलेबस ऑफ ग्रुप 1 फिर से एक बार?
ग्रुप 1 का जैसे मैंने पढ़ा हुआ था, मुझे टॉपिक पता चल रहा था, कहाँ से क्वेश्चन आया था, एग्जाम में पता चल गया था, टॉपिक समझ में आ गया था।
बट वो समझ नहीं पा रहे थे कि उसके आगे कैसे करें।
हाँ, वही है। जैसे कि मेरा नवंबर 24 में 52 मार्क्स आया है आईबीएस में, और मई 24 में 46 आया था।
ओके, तो अभी आपने जब नवंबर में अटेम्प्ट दिया था, नवंबर 24 में, तो आपने इससे पहले आईबीएस खुद से स्टडी किया था या फिर यू डायरेक्टली वेंट फॉर द पेपर कि हाँ देखा जाएगा कैसे
नहीं,
होगा?
आईबीएस मैंने स्टडी किया था, केस स्टडी मैंने प्रैक्टिस किया था इंस्टीट्यूट का, जो इंस्टीट्यूट का केस स्टडी आया था, तो मैंने वो प्रैक्टिस करके गया था सारा केस स्टडी।
राइट, तो नवंबर 24 का जो पेपर था ना, इट वाज एक्सेप्शनली टफ, for this particular subject. So it was not an easy paper क्योंकि कोई भी case study similar नहीं थी. अब ये हो सकता है the same level is being maintained for the further attempts also. बहुत chances है कि ये होगा because वहाँ पे institute आपसे expect कर रहा है a very good amount of knowledge क्योंकि हर चीज आपको book में नहीं मिलेगी. ठीक है, आप कितना भी ढूंढ लो, अगर आपको आपका ऑलरेडी जब ग्रुप 1 हो चुका है, मतलब आपको सब पता है ग्रुप 1 के बारे में, फिर भी आपको कोई पर्टिकुलर चीज नहीं मिल रही है, दैट मीन्स दे आर वांटिंग कि समथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट इन बुक, दे वांट देयर एक्सपर्ट नॉलेज ओवर देयर. आप लोगों का एक्चुअल टेस्टिंग ऑफ नॉलेज वहां पर हो रहा है. I would want you to go through each and every subject of Group 1. Group 1 के तीनों सब्जेक्ट को नए मटेरियल के अकॉर्डिंग प्लीज गो थ्रू करिए. इट्स नॉट जस्ट कि आपने सिर्फ केस स्टडीज कर लिया और सिर्फ जितना जितना केस स्टडी में था उतना करके चले गए, उसमें से तो कुछ नहीं आया. ठीक है, लेकिन रिमेनिंग ऐसा भी नहीं है कि बुक में से कुछ नहीं आया. प्रोविजंस कहीं ना कहीं वो बुक में थे बट हमने रीड आउट नहीं किए थे. राइट, सो वी नीड टू बी अवेयर अबाउट इट. हमें वो प्रोविजन सारे रीड आउट करना है. यू हैव टू गो थ्रू ईच एंड एवरी सब्जेक्ट प्रॉपर्ली. सो दिस इज समथिंग ऑफ अ प्रॉब्लम कि जो May 25 में जो स्टूडेंट सिर्फ ग्रुप 2 अपीयर कर रहे हैं, इट इज गोइंग टू बी लिटिल डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम क्योंकि आपको करना सभी है, सारे सब्जेक्ट से आपको गो थ्रू करना है. ऐसा नहीं कि आप 15-15, 20-20 दिन दो एक पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट को, नॉट नीडेड. लेकिन अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम, लेट्स से 3 to 4 days में आप एक बार पूरा ब्रश अप कर लो, सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स देख लो ग्रुप 1 के एक एक सब्जेक्ट का. सो दैट इज गोइंग टू बी एन एड ऑन. एटलीस्ट आपको ये पता रहेगा कि ये सारा कॉन्टेंट है और ये सारे प्रोविजंस है. सिमिलरली मार्किंग इट देन एंड देयर इज गोइंग टू हेल्प. अमन, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Clear हो गया.
Yeah, okay. I am just going to look at the questions that have been sent. How can one prepare for Group 1 portion of IBS if he has cleared Group 1 a long time ago? That is what I have answered right now. This question is from Santosh Shiva. I've just answered the question that if you have cleared your Group 1 a long time ago, that means that does not mean कि आपको हर चीज आ जाएगी. पहले के सिलेबस में और अभी के सिलेबस में there has been a difference. This is a complete new syllabus and that's how we are going to approach it. जैसे मैंने बताया, हर एक सब्जेक्ट को you will have to give time. लेट्स से अगर आपका मटेरियल उतना पुराना हो गया या आपका क्वेश्चन बैंक और जो नोट्स है उतने पुराने हो गए, प्लीज ऑर्डर द न्यू मटेरियल. स्टार्ट रीडिंग फ्रॉम द न्यू मटेरियल टुडे इटसेल्फ. आपको हर सब्जेक्ट कवर करना है, हर एक सब्जेक्ट ऑफ ग्रुप 1. यू कैन गिव अराउंड 3 to 4 days का टाइम बिकॉज देखो, more or less you know what the subject talks about. You only have to go through and brush up all the concepts. You can either go through the revisionary videos of faculties that is available on YouTube and read out each and every subject. 3 से 4 दिन टाइम देके हर सब्जेक्ट को within 15 days you can wrap up this. Next question is from Sakshi Jain. Ma'am, but if we don't take the study material, we feel doubtful that we might not find it in our notes. Then it happens that we just look at the study material thinking we'll definitely find it there. If it's not in the notes, it will waste time. Okay, so Sakshi, this I had told you very clearly कि जब आप फैकल्टी का नोट्स लेके जा रहे हो तो नोट्स के साथ साथ आपका क्वेश्चन बैंक भी होना चाहिए. सिर्फ नोट्स कैरी करने से कुछ भी नहीं होगा. नोट्स एंड क्वेश्चन बैंक शुड गो हैंड इन हैंड ऑफ अ फैकल्टीज मटेरियल. नंबर 2 इज योर स्टडी मटेरियल. अगर आप तीनों चीजें कैरी करके जाओगे तो आई थिंक 3 सूटकेस भी फिर तो कम पड़ जाएगी. ठीक है, दिस इज फ्रॉम साक्षी. साक्षी, आर यू देयर? कैन यू जस्ट अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ? I think Sakshi is not there.
Yes,
Okay.
she is not.
Okay, no problem. So it can be either your study material or your faculty notes and question bank. Just notes carrying is not going to add on. Notes along with your question bank because your maximum number of concepts are covered in question bank. और ये वही question bank रहेगा जो आपने कभी ना कभी पहले किया हुआ है. So of course the material is familiar to you. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि आप completely नया material लेकर जा रहे हो. ठीक है? So it can be notes and question bank, or it can be your institute's study material. Next question is from Harsh Joshi. In exam hall, sometimes I'm confused whether I'll get answer by searching from material or not. Most of the times, there are very less chances that the answer will be from their material because ICAI asks general witty questions which can be found by searching. In that case, time is also wasted in searching. And also, I don't get the answer from books. So both ways lost. How to tackle that situation? Okay, Harsh, are you there? Harsh Joshi.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Harsh, are you okay? Yeah, there. Harsh, may I know when have you completed your group one, or you're still pending with that?
No, both are pending.
Both are pending. You're attempting both in May 25?
Yes.
Okay. So Harsh, आपकी classes I'm assuming अभी तक तो complete हो गई होगी group one की. I'm
Yes.
just assuming that. Okay. So you obviously know कि new syllabus के according क्या क्या चीजें और क्या क्या नहीं है. अब जैसे
Yes.
let's say you've very nicely you've studied all the 3 subjects of group 1. एक particular question IBS के पेपर में descriptive question आता है. ठीक है. For example मैं लेती हूँ business combination का एक question, business combination related एक question आ रहा है. ठीक है पेपर में. अब आपको question देके तो ये समझ में आ जाएगा कि यार मैंने FR किया हुआ है. तो FR के study mat तो चलो ठीक है आपने classes किए तो faculty notes या question bank में इस type का question है या नहीं. ये तो समझ में आ जाएगा. ठीक है.
हाँ मैम.
अगर ये चीज आपको समझ में आ गया आपका आधे से ज्यादा क्वेश्चन तो वहीं पे रिजॉल्व हो गया. ठीक है.
लेकिन मैम
क्योंकि
कभी
अगर वो है
हाँ ऐसा डाउट रहता है कि ये क्वेश्चन हमें कहीं देखा हुआ है, मतलब ये मिल जाएगा, लेकिन जब ढूंढते हैं तो नहीं मिलता, ऐसा होता है.
तो होता है ना. दैट इज वेरी वेरी ऑब्वियस. तो वहां पे आपके कॉन्सेप्ट और प्रोविजंस आर गोइंग टू प्ले अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. आपके उस पर्टिकुलर केस में प्रोविजंस कितने स्ट्रॉन्ग है, क्योंकि वेरी क्लियरली ये सब्जेक्ट लर्निंग डिमांड नहीं कर रहा है आपसे. ठीक है. लर्निंग इज नॉट एट ऑल डिमांडेड. यहाँ पे द थिंग दैट इज डिमांडेड इज योर अटेंशन टू ईच एंड एवरी सब्जेक्ट ऑफ सीए फाइनल. हाउ वेल यू नो ईच एंड एवरी सब्जेक्ट स्टार्ट टू एंड, और आपका कितना प्रैक्टिस है, कितना आपने उस सब्जेक्ट को देखा है. ठीक है. इफ यू आर वेरी वेल अवेयर अबाउट इट, यू आर गोइंग टू फाइंड आंसर टू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. और लेट्स से अगर आपको नहीं मिलता है क्वेश्चन जैसे आपने पूछा है, अगर आपको मिलता ही नहीं है उस पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन का आंसर, वहां पे यू आर गोइंग टू अप्लाई द प्रोविजंस. अब प्रोविजन तो आप बुक में से देख सकते हो, प्रोविजन तो आपको मिल जाएगा. अब वो प्रोविजन उस क्वेश्चन से कैसे अलाइन होके आंसर लिखना है, दैट इज योर स्किल टू राइट.
हाँ मैम.
ठीक है. पर प्रोविजन पता होना इसके लिए जरूरी है, कॉन्सेप्ट पता होना जरूरी है. इसलिए नवंबर 24 के पेपर में जब कंप्लीटली सब नया आ गया, तो वहां पे जो स्टूडेंट्स जो ऑलरेडी जिन्हें थोड़ा बहुत पता था, दे कुड एक्चुअली सेल. बिकॉज today itself I was having a session with one of the students who scored 58 marks in IBS. That is actually a very very good marks. Correct. So this is something also dependent upon how strong your concepts are, how well you have studied that subject apart from the case studies.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Yes, I think we are done with the questions that you have sent, Mayur.
Yes, ma'am. Almost done. And I think we are done with the questions here also, because nobody has any questions as of now. I think we are done for the day also. A very good time, 8:15. We started at 7:15 with your content. So thank you so much, guys. Those who are here still, I think you all are there. You will be clearing your attempt with flying numbers and doing good in IBS, obviously. But yes, I'm pretty sure with Aishwarya ma'am and our team will be coming up with more webinars related to your subjects, related to your preparation, and related to giving you the right set of things for everything which can help you prepare, right? So thank you so much, ma'am. Again, I won't say the karma wala thing, which can make you give awkward expressions. But yes, thank you so much. Kitna bhi thank you. Hum log aapko bole. It will be short. I am obviously short of words, but I believe from students and from the team Prepka, we wish all the luck and all the best wishes to you for everything you do, and to the students, all the best for your exams, guys, from we and Aishwarya ma'am. Looking forward to seeing you in one more webinar this month, which will be happening soon. The dates will be out. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. You want to add anything?
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mayur. All the best to all the students appearing in May 25. Just rock the exams, score very, very good marks. And in case you are already into the sessions, mentorship sessions with Prepka, do let know your results along with the Prepka team. And wish you all the good luck.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Take care. Good night. Have a good weekend.